today I am going to explain you that what are fractional indices. As you can see, the fractional indices mean that we write down the values in the form of the fraction, okay, and they are having the power. The first thing you need to remember that whenever we move the value, okay, for example, if it's a negative power, so we have to move it to the denominator to make it positive. Okay, as you can see that the power over here is negative, it's negative 2. So to make it positive, you have to move it to the denominator. So always remember, whenever we move any value from denominator to numerator or numerator to denominator, its sign changes. So if I want to make it positive 2, so I have to move it to the denominator. As there is nothing in the numerator, so you can put 1. So you can write down 4 to the power of negative, you can write down 1 over 1 upon 4 to the raised power 2. Okay, so 1 over 4 to the power of 2. So this is how you have to write down 1 over 4. But now you can see that it's 4 2. 4 square. 4 square can be written like this, 4 times 4. Okay, so it means that 4 square is equal to 16. Now you have to write down the value, so you can say that the answer is 1 over 16. This is your answer. Let's do one more question. As you can see that this is 3 to the power of negative 3, means 3 cube but with the negative sign. So to make it positive, you will move it to the denominator. So when you will move it to the denominator, you will make it positive. This sign will be changed into a positive sign. So 1 over 3 to the power of 3 means cube. So 3 power 3 means that you will multiply 3 times. So you will get 27. So your answer is 1 upon 27.
Okay.
Achha, now I am going to explain you that in case if the fraction is given to you with a negative power, okay, as you can see that the fraction is 5 by 3 and the power is negative 1. You have to apply the indices rule, that you have to write down this power with both the numbers which are inside the bracket. So you can write it down like this, 5 to the power of negative 1, okay, or you can simply write down like this, 5 negative 1 and over 3 negative 1. So so Ali, you know this is the rule of the indices, that you have to write down the value with both values. You have to write down the power with both values which are inside the bracket. But you can see that they both are negative. So as I have told you earlier, to make the power positive, you have to move it. Okay, if it's in the numerator, you will move it to the denominator, and if it's in the denominator, you will move it to the numerator. So this is how it will change its sign. So this negative 3 will become 3 to the power of positive 1 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator with positive power. So to make the power positive, I will move the denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator. And 3 to the power of 1 is 3 and 5 to the power of 1 is 5. So this is your answer. Did you get the concept, Ali?
Yes.
Okay.